Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the Google app, signed into the account connected to your Google Voice number. Once there, go to Profile Right Arrow Settings, Right Arrow Google Assistant so you land directly in Voice Controls. Make sure the assistant language is set, because voice options vary by language. English, US, offers the most male/female choices. From this screen you'll find Assistant Voice or Voice Options. Tap that and prepare to preview and select a male-sounding voice for outgoing assistant prompts. Now you'll hear previews listen to each sample and pick the one that sounds best to you. Once you tap a male option, the app typically shows a check mark or selected confirmation. Make sure it saves. If the system asks to download a voice pack, allow it to complete so the voice plays offline and on calls. After selection, close settings and give the device a minute to sync. This ensures Google Voice and Assistant use the new male voice for prompts and automated responses. Finish by testing. Call your number or ask the assistant to call your voicemail so you hear the voice in context. If you don't hear the new male voice, first make sure the change shows in Assistant settings. Then clear the Google app cache or sign out and back in to force a settings refresh. If the option still isn't present, switch language or region briefly to access different voice packs, then revert back. This common workaround unlocks voices limited by locale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.